The logo, or our brand identity system, is like the clothes that we put on in the morning. They say a lot about who we are. The old logo was terrific when the school was first founded, but we're really in a new era now. We're about transforming undergraduate engineering education and serving as an exciting catalyst to do that. And the innovative work that we're doing needs to be reflected in our new logo moving forward. We selected Sametz Blackstone. They work with some top brands in the city, the Museum of Fine Arts, also WGBH, and they're just professionals, and they were very excited about Olin.
If you think of brand not as, as this commercial mark, but as the holder of what an organization means and what an organization promises and what you can expect of that organization, and you invest all of that in the choices that you make, whether it's the logo or type or color, imagery, or even the format of things, then you telegraph a whole lot about an organization's story, Olin's story.
We did focus groups with students, with faculty, and also with staff. They gave us our feedback. In the end, we had 10 great choices, but we narrowed it down to 2 choices.
I didn't realize you could do so much with a logo, to be honest, but it was really great to see that within different design spaces there were so many ideas to choose from, and that the MACO committee itself, full of representatives from all over Olin, really came together and thought about each one in particular and how that actually would shape Olin as a branding material.
All of a sudden, everything that we had talked about and all the values got translated into this strategy, and when we saw it, at least when I saw it, it was very exciting. It felt very fresh and new and exciting, and just something that kind of communicated the excitement around Olin.
I am a big fan of the oval as a shape because, to me, I'm sitting in the oval right now, and the Olin O, the Olin oval, has a lot of history and it connects us with the very beginning of Olin.
As it turned out, there was a lot more love, for lack of a better word, of the current oval, so the direction that made most sense for the school was to, in fact, energize that mark, the fact that it now moves forward, that it's three-dimensional, that it has more color options.
We wanted to express changeability, dynamism, the idea of taking what might be the expected components of engineering and using them in unusual, unexpected, or pioneering ways.
I very much like the new visual system. I see the oval and the evolution in the logo in a sense as akin to how we would think about the phoenix, right? If you imagine a phoenix constantly, by definition, being reborn,